Hello friends, it's Daryl with a new product review video for you. Look at this beautiful shot out the front window using the main camera. It's just really crisp and bright and sharp. Now here we are driving down the road. This is great resolution. Look how wide the screen of reference is here. You can see a huge angle in front of you as you're going. Anything were to happen, you'd have it all documented right here. The colors are bright and vibrant. The focus is crisp and clear. And this is excellent. This is the view from inside the car with the reversible adjustable camera, and you can see how well it catches detail and every little bit of space inside the car. Perfect for driving with lift. And the other camera is turned a little bit to the left, so you can see everything that's coming at you from the left side going forward, including the little lake where I live at with some people out ice fishing. I highly recommend this dash camera. It's a good product, very well built, sturdy, and easy to use. It takes excellent quality pictures from all three of the camera angles. If you're driving or out in the world today, even just on your own personal business, you need a dash camera. You never know what's going to happen. Someone could cause an accident, try and blame you. You might hit someone and need to show that it wasn't your fault. Things happen. And if you're a Lyft driver, Uber driver, you need that protection inside the car too, because sometimes people act up in the car. They do things. They make weird accusations. And if you have the camera, you have proof of what did or didn't happen. It's a sad world we live in, but that's the facts. You've got to protect your interests. And this camera does that for you. So I'm highly recommending you go out and buy this dash camera because it's very substantial, heavy duty, and works great. The video quality is crisp and clear, and you won't be disappointed in this model, I assure you. Nice solid box. 4-channel, which means it has 4 cameras for full 360-degree all-around protection. Here's your camera. Sticky adhesive pad, which you would put on your windshield. Input jack is here, and the charging USB-C port is here. There's a memory card slot right there, and it comes with a 128 gigabyte memory card, which is kind of nice. The control panels and video screen are back here facing the driver, and all the buttons for the menus are right there. So what we want to do is show you when you're driving down the road, this camera is going to be facing forward. You can see it has a little pull tabs on it to keep it clear and safe. There's a microphone recorder too. And these are 2 other side cameras. If you look, they rotate and swivel up and down and in and out all the way around 180 degrees. So you can set this up to have 1 camera forward stationary and another camera facing sideways to each side, or on maybe a little bit of an angle forward like that so you catch a little bit better angle, or one or both facing back towards you so you have a record of what's going on inside your car, which is what I'm going to be using it for when I drive for Lyft or any of my delivery services. I'm going to have at least 1 camera facing back toward me at all times. It's a nice solid camera. I've had 4 other dash cameras in the past and they all felt really flimsy and cheap. Of course, those were all in the $30 to $40 price range, and they weren't, obviously they were cheap cameras. This one's rated at 1080 recording quality, and I say it feels really sturdy. The little friction on these is very snug. It feels like it's well built. We have a power supply with fuses, a fused power supply, 12-volt adapter cord here. All right, the standard 12-volt adapter cord with a bonus USB port in the back of it. So you can use this to power your dash cam and charge your phone at the same time. That is a nice touch. Here's your USB-C connector, the right side. Nice, that's a very nice design. It feels heavy and substantial too. A lot of cord, nice heavy design. It appears like it would be very durable. We've got the 4th channel here. The 4th channel is another camera, and it comes with a really long cord, so you can place it at the rear of your vehicle facing backwards. Your camera, there's the lens right there, and your sticky pad is right here, so you'd stick it up like this to some surface so that it could record out the rear window. Pretty nice. Extra long cord, as I said, and a connector plug, and that plugs into the left side of your. There's a standard USB-C charging cable included. And I don't believe there's a battery in this that holds a charge. It only stays on when you have power on. A quick start guide, along with a QR code to scan to get help for it. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.